Hello guys, welcome to Software Guys. Today I will show you how to create a speed calculator in Python Tkinter. So this is our result. Now we can see the three options: hours, minutes, and distance kilometer. So check this. Let's have 5 hours I spent and the 35 minutes. Oh, sorry, 35 minutes and I follow the 5 kilometers hours. I'll click on button. Our average speed is 1.58. Change the distance, and here now the average is 2.118, and change hours, minutes. This always perfect correctly. So how to create it? So let's start it. First import Tkinter from Tkinter import. Now check this. This is our window as a perfectly height width, and here we import our image for attractive background. So I need to get a variable img and import photo by photo method. Photo image file is equal, or go to image and properties, copy the path, Control C and Control V, one more slash, and copy its name, Control C, Control V. So set on this image on label. Lab is equal label. Then we need on root, and no need for text. Image is equal img, our image variable. So pack this lab dot pack. Now check this. No such file or directory. Sorry, I forget to write a format here. Dot png file format. So check this. So our image is set on our window background. So now we create a headline for a label speed, average speed calculator. So headline is equal label root, and text on it is average speed calculator. The font is equal Arial 20 and bold. So place this headline dot place x axis on our axis is a 180 and y is equal 70. So check this. Okay, perfectly our headline is title on this here. So need a hour label. Hour is equal label on our root, text is equal hour, and font equal Arial 20. Now place this, hour dot place your x is equal 50, and our y is equal 150. Sorry, y is equal 150. So we need three labels. Copy this and paste and paste. So our Y is same on any button, and change our X and change its name. It's the minute, and minute, and the distance for like this, and change its axis to 120, and this is a 430. Okay, check this. It's not working, and here is hover. Change its text, and our minute is x120, and check this again and change first minute, minute, and place label. Okay, and distance like this, and kilometers, km. Check it again. Our minutes is our creative our the minutes is 230. Check this. Okay, there's a perfectly clear distance between buttons, and now need the entries front of these buttons. So create the entry. However, entry is equal entry on the root, and font is a get Arial 20, or entry dot place $150. Is seen any entry and buttons. So copy this, Control C and Control V. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. And this is a minute, min, and min, just sorry, this, and distance entry. Okay, and now we need to change its axis. Our minutes entry is a 332. Minutes entry is a 320, and 150, and it's change 540. Okay, so check this. Our entry is so big, so we need to set the height and width. So here is right height, HEIGHT, height is equal let's 100, and width is equal, sorry, here is a 40, and our width is equal 100. So check this, think is okay, sorry, and now check what is the problem here. 40, and 40, and sorry, check this, equal while scanning starting. Right there, check this, I think it's okay, and change this. So copy this and paste the hover entry, Control V, and paste here, Control V. So the hover entry is perfect on front of our labels. Change these entries are 40 axis and 20. Okay, 30. So create a button. btn is equal button on our root. Text is equal font center. Anchor is called center. So now we need a code from when I enter the hour, minute, and calculate our speed, average speed. So create a function def average, and here we calculate we get all the entry values. Our the first hour entry is equal int, sorry, hour entry dot get, and here we are our entry value. So copy this, control C and control V, change the values. There's a minute value and there's our distance value. Change your min and distance. Okay, so we need an average variable. Average is equal float our hour value and divide by, sorry, distance value, this value divide by hour value plus our min value divide by 60, create the minutes on hours, and print the average, and now we show on the screen image we need a message box from Tkinter import message box, and here use message box dot show info. Our title is okay, the average speed, and here our message, the message is str string our average. So let's check it. Our average hours is a 55 and 50 minutes, and distance I for the like 8 kilometers. Oh sorry, I forget the command here. Command is equal average. I think is okay. Check this. 5 kilometers, 55 minutes, and distance 9 kilometers, and hour is average speed 2.71. Check this all. 56 for our 10 kilometers hour speed. So this is perfectly work our calculator. So like this video, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.